Make sure it works still. It does. Okay, so we have time. We're going to hook the brackets up for the turn signals. And wonder if these are 19. So the brackets that came, it's 17. The brackets that came, first of all, I don't think they're original. Number two, I'm going to include them with the bike. And number three, they just look awful. And so I'm going to put on basically the period correct ones. And so they go back here. And these are incredibly greasy wrenches, so I'm going to wipe them off. So you'll see the brackets in just a second. Here are the brackets. They fit like this. They're absolutely positively heavy duty stainless steel. They are so thick. They are so hard to drill through. You have to round out the holes a little bit for the turn signals. And they fit perfectly. They look beautiful. And so that goes there. So this fits through here, and this fits through here. So this goes through here. This goes through here. Oh my gosh, I forgot to drill this thing out. All right, you gotta stand by. I gotta drill it out.